No brine, no injection. We're going old school today. This is a turkey that you can smoke from start to finish and enjoy all in the same day. Let's go. This is part 3 of my Juicy Truth series where I test different methods to find the juiciest and most flavorful turkey. And today you will not find an easier recipe than this. We're riding an SPG rub straight through and finishing it with a brown butter glaze just before serving. Now this is a same day recipe, meaning there is no brine, no injection, no overnight soak. From start to finish, you're looking at about 3 to 4 hours. So the full recipe is linked in the description. Let's make a turkey. I'm gonna start by spatchcocking this turkey. I'm gonna cut out the backbone and then just press it down so we have an even turkey to start with. Use a paper towel to soak up as much water and moisture from the skin as possible. Remember, if you want this crispy, it has to be as dry as possible. We're going a straight SPG rub here. Use your favorite. I'm using my Texas rub, and I'll include a recipe in the description. Season it evenly. You can go a little heavier on the dark meat and a little lighter under the loose breast skin. Season both sides, and this is it. This is all we're rolling with. I'm using the Pit Boss today, and I've got my temp set at 300. I'm smoking on lump coal. I've got some B&B and also some oak chunks. Roast your onions, carrots, celery, and garlic in the oven at 425 for about 25 minutes. Once that's done, I'm going to stir in 1 cup of chicken broth, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Add this drip pan mixture under the turkey after it's started smoking for about 45 to 60 minutes. After an hour and 15 minutes, you can start probing or checking the temperature. Now we want to pull this off when the breast hits about 155, 160, and the thighs are about 175. With the turkey resting, it's time to make this brown butter sauce. So start by melting down 2 sticks of butter over medium heat and let that butter brown to a deep amber color. It takes about 5 to 7 minutes and you'll notice that toasty, nutty smell. Then add in your thyme sprigs for only about 30 to 45 seconds, just long enough to extract those oils and give it a little bit of flavor. Leaving it too long will give it that strong herb flavor that can be overpowering. So take out your thyme, then we're going to add in the zest of 1 lemon and then the juice of half of the lemon. Our 2 tablespoons of bourbon. 1 clove of garlic. Mix this together well and then set it off to the side. Let your turkey rest about 25 to 30 minutes. Then you can start carving and slicing this up. Add it to a serving plate, and now it's time to drizzle and lather that brown butter finisher all over your meat. This is completely optional, but you can strain some of the juice from the drip pan, about 2 to 4 tablespoons, and then add it into this butter glaze after you've put it on the turkey, and use this as your table dipping sauce. The lemon zest and juice pairs well with that nutty, toasty flavor of the brown butter. And the bourbon just balances everything, brings it all together. And the thyme infusion gives it that subtle accent of aromatics. That brown butter sauce is a smooth balance to the SPG rub and lets the turkey actually taste like turkey. So if you're burnt out on looking at brines and marinades and overnight injections, whatnot, try this one. It's easy, same day, and pure flavor driven. From my table to yours, I want to wish you and yours a happy and safe Thanksgiving. If you're new here, hit that like and subscribe button for more easy to follow recipes that you can make right at home. As always, keep it bold, keep it spicy, and until next time, adios. Here's to you.